We present you ACP, Synthia Plustex anterior cervical plate, indicated to promote the development of a solid arthrodesis of the cervical spine by means of an anterior approach. It can be used in case of cervical instability due to different traumatic and degenerative pathologies, neoplasia, stenosis, and pseudoarthrosis. Anterior cervical cages are available in different sizes and with different interaxes, allowing to stabilize vertebral bodies from 1 to 5 levels with different anatomy. The screws are available in self-drilling version with a 4 mm diameter, self-tapping with a 4 mm diameter, or self-tapping with a 4.5 mm diameter. There are 5 lengths for the screws, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18 mm. The main technical features of the system include the anti-migration system, characterized by the formable ring which locks the screw into the plate, temporary pinholes, plate holder connection, a large window for anatomical landmark visualization, an anatomic profile with a 28 degrees axial bend radius, and a variable screw angulation. With respect to the solutions offered by the competitors, the ACP anti-migration system is integrated into the device and no additional components are required. It guarantees safety, homogeneous thickness, and less operative time. The instrument set for the implantation of ACP is composed of guides, implant holder, pin holders, holes, tap, probe, screwdriver, plate gauge, and plate bender. The first step of the surgical technique for ACP implantation is placing the patient on the operating table in a supine position, exposing the vertebral bodies to be fused. It is necessary then to choose the most suitable plate according to the levels and the patient's anatomy by using the plate gauge. Having done that, the plate can be modeled by means of a plate bender. The plate bender can give the plate the correct lordotic curvature to comply with the patient's cervical anatomy. After placing the plate in the appropriate position thanks to the implant holder, insert the temporary pins into the holes by means of the proper holder to position them safely and easily. In situ guides for drilling must be used to ensure correct trajectory of the screw. It is then necessary to apply the proper guide on the plate and then insert the hole and the top into the guide to create the hole. After removing the guide, insert the screws into their seats using the proper screwdriver. Repeat the same procedure with remaining screws and, at last, remove the temporary pins, obtaining the final configuration.